Let us take one more example so that the series sum of 1 plus 1 upon n to the power n from n equal to 1 to infinity is divergent. Let us prove that this series is divergent. So we know that the given series is divergent if each term of the series is positive and the limit of nth term when n tending to infinity should be greater than 0. The given series is sum of un is equal to sum of un is nothing but 1 plus 1 upon n to the power n. Here, each term of the series is positive and limit of un when n tending to infinity, which is equal to limit of 1 plus 1 upon n to the power n when n tending to infinity. And we know that this is nothing but e to the power 1, which is greater than 0. Since the limit of the given series is greater than 0 and each term of the given series is positive, therefore, by divergent series test, the given series is divergent. Thank you, friends.